So go ahead and take a seat at the bottom edge of your bed and get comfortable. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, sweep up, palms together at the top. Lean to your right. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale to your left. Inhale up. Exhale, lace the fingers, round forward. Inhale, place your palms behind you on the bed, lengthening the spine, lifting. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Inhale, lace your fingers. Exhale, round forward. Inhale, place your palms behind you, lengthening, lifting up. Exhale, release tension. Relax your jaw. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, lean to your right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale. Exhale, lace your fingers round forward. Inhale, place the palms behind you, lengthen up. Exhale, relax your jaw. Inhale, extend the right arm out. Internally rotate. Place the back of your hand on your lower back as you tip your head to your left. Inhale. Exhale, turn your head to the left. Relax your jaw, release tension. Inhale, turn your head back to center, lift it up, extend the right arm, place your hand behind your hips. Repeat on the left side, turn your arm in, left hand goes to the lower back as you turn your head to the right. Relax your jaw, breathe, inhale, exhale, releasing tension. Turn your head back, bring your hand by your side, and then move, turning towards the edge of your bed. You're going to push the outside edge of your right leg back, leaning to your left. Roll over your toes, bring the knee back. Inhale, extend the leg back, leaning over to the left. Bring it back. Repeat. Inhale, reaching up, push back. Exhale. Turn to the opposite corner. Outside leg pushes back as you reach over. Inhale, roll over the toes, bringing the knee back. Inhale, push, extend, and lean. Exhale. Inhale, repeating. Inhale. Exhale, rolling over the toes. Inhale, bring your knee back. Sitting back on the side of the bed, right ankle over left knee, lengthening, lifting up. Exhale. Gently push your hands against the bed as you fold forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Sit up, place your right foot down, left ankle over right knee for seated pigeon. Exhale, lengthening your spine, folding forward, pushing gently with your hands. Keep breathing. Lower your right foot down. Relax, releasing tension, check in. Sweep the arms up overhead, twist to your right. Left hand on your knee, right hand on the mat behind you. Relax your jaw, reaching up, inhale. Exhale, turn to your left. Keep breathing. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, turn to your left, and we're going to repeat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more breath. Thank you for practicing.